Hey everyone, the Epomaker HE80 is a performance-focused wired mechanical keyboard that blends cutting-edge input technology with customizable user experience, aimed at both gamers and professionals who demand ultra-fast responsiveness and fine-tuned control. At its core, the HE80 is powered by Hall effect magnetic switches, specifically linear switches with dual-rail design for added key stability. These switches require just 30 grams of actuation force and support precise actuation, tuning in 0.01 millimeter increments across a wide 0.1 to 4.0 millimeters range. This allows each key to be individually adjusted, providing a level of per-key customization that's particularly attractive for competitive gaming or ergonomic typing setups. Epomaker has engineered the keyboard to minimize input latency, achieving a polling rate of 8,000 Hz and a scan rate of 32,000 Hz. The result is an exceptionally low input lag of just 0.125 milliseconds. This makes the HE80 one of the fastest keyboards available in its class, capable of registering keystrokes almost instantaneously. Structurally, the HE80 doesn't cut corners. It features a gasket-mounted design paired with a reinforced FR4 positioning plate. To reduce acoustic resonance and deliver a quieter typing experience, Epomaker has layered several types of dampening materials inside the keyboard. The keycaps further enhance the tactile feel and visual appeal. Most of them are crafted from durable two-tone PBT in the cherry profile, offering a classic mechanical keyboard experience. However, the escape, backspace, enter, and spacebar keys are made from transparent polycarbonate to help accentuate the RGB backlighting. The HE80 features per-key RGB with underglow support, giving users the ability to create ambient lighting effects that go beyond traditional top lighting schemes. In terms of connectivity, the HE80 is wired only, which is essential for maintaining the stability required for its high polling and scan rates. Physically, the keyboard measures 332.05 by 146.6 by 42.1 millimeters and weighs in at a manageable 0.85 kilograms. Its ergonomic design includes a front height of 22.2 millimeters and dual-stage adjustable kickstands, allowing for comfortable typing over extended sessions. Overall, the Epomaker HE80 is an impressive entry in the magnetic switch keyboard space, offering ultra-low latency, deep customization, and high build quality, all at a surprisingly affordable price point of $69 internationally. While it may appeal most strongly to gamers and enthusiasts, the keyboard's versatility and typing comfort make it a compelling choice for anyone seeking high-performance input hardware. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Have a nice day and God bless you.